Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson, live from the Strata 2012 show floor here in Santa Clara, California. I'm here with John DeGoes from Precog. John, how's the conference been for you?
It's been phenomenal. There's so many companies out here who are struggling with big data challenges and really excited about all the technology that's coming out. So I'm really happy that we're here today.
And the conversations with the people, I mean, is it good for you? Or?
Yeah, it's great. It's great to see so many different kinds of companies basically saying the same things over and over again, which is data is exploding, it's unstructured, it's more than we can handle, and we're struggling for a way to extract value out of large quantities of multi-structured data.
So in this data exploding world, what do you guys do? What does Precog do in that world?
So we really sit just above the metal, just above the infrastructure in kind of the platform level, right beneath the applications. We're not an application ourselves. Precog's not an application designed to be used by business users, for example. It's a platform. It's designed to be used by developers who are solving very challenging problems in big data analytics. And we act as kind of an end-to-end platform for big data analytics. We help you capture and store that information. We help you enrich it through third-party add-ons like demographics, sentiment analysis, and those kinds of things. And then we provide very high-level APIs for developers to solve very challenging problems in analytics and statistics and predictive modeling.
So you're sitting right above the metal, and
exactly
any kind of metal?
So right now we do this as a platform as a service. So we're hosted in a bunch of different data centers, and we bundle in all the hardware you need in order to solve big data challenges. And we also scale up and down based on the demand for that.
Excellent. So where do you see this going in the future?
So right now we're being used by a number of SaaS companies to power analytics inside their application. And what I think is really exciting is what we're doing is we're solving a really hard technological problem, which is how do you take huge amounts of unstructured data and structured data and make sense of it to power intelligence and insight inside an application. And that's a problem that big vendors already solve. Like Amazon.com, every single page you view of Amazon.com is custom tailored for you based on what they know about you and based on what they know about all users across all time. That's scary, right?
Or what they think they know about you.
Yes, what they think they know about you. It's scary. It's extremely powerful. And bringing that kind of power, which Amazon can do because they have thousands of senior R&D engineers sitting around working on these kinds of problems full time, but many companies can't. We're bringing that level of sophistication down to the masses. And I think over the next few years, you will see every single application out there start using huge amounts of data to do analytics, statistics, predictive modeling, increasing intelligence, increasing insight, making applications more precognizant, for lack of a better word.
So there's the name.
There's the theme.
There's the theme.
Yes.
Okay, so one of the themes I've seen this week is data unstructured and structured and making sense of it. And you guys are a piece in between there for everyone.
Yes, that's right. So I think the nature of big data is that it's messy. You might have log files or sensors from devices out there reading information, or free-form text written by users, tweets and blog posts and articles, and then you have all this structured data, demographic data and price information, transactional information. And big data stores, increasingly, they need to be able to handle both kinds of data and do interesting analytics and statistics on everything all mashed together. And that's a challenging problem. It's a challenge many vendors are facing, and many people who are building on top of open source stacks like Hadoop are also facing and struggling to come up with a solution for.
Excellent. John, I hope it continues to go well for you this week, and I hope we see you in New York and Santa Clara next year.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Good to see you.